Class 6, Gaurav Tripathi. Class 7, Akanksha Chaudhary. Class 7, Akanksha Chaudhary. Please put your hands together, parents. Each one of them has toiled hard throughout the year. Akanksha Chaudhary. Hira Noor, Class 8. Hira Noor, first in Class 8. Putting the sections together, all the sections together, to receive the first position is just not a joke. It requires a lot of hard work. Tripti Sharma, Class 9. First in Class 9, Tripti Sharma. Parents, please put your hands together. Our children need a lot of encouragement. They must keep up their good work. And your class shall tell them so. Tripti Sharma, Class 9. Abhishek Nayak, Class 10. Abhishek Nayak, Class 10. He along with Vishal was a good person for Class 10. Parents, please put your hands together and give them a loud round of applause. Class 10, Abhishek Nayak. Class of the four toppers, a brilliant child. He really worked very hard. Vishal Raju, Class 10. Class 11 from the science section, Shruti Arya. Class 11 science section, Shruti Arya. Please put your hands together, children. As well as parents, every one of you must clap for a dear little student. Class 11 commerce section, Sugandha Sharan. Class 11 commerce section, Sugandha Sharan. Sugandha Sharan, Class 11. Class 12, Science section. First, Pragya Singh. She is also a board topper for this session. Pragya Singh. First is Pragya Singh. Please put your hands together, parents. She is the board topper for Class 12 from our school. She brought laurels to our school by being the board topper. Second, Class 12 Science section, Vibha Kachu. Second, Science section, Vibha Kachu. Third, from the Science section, Himanshi Sharma. Himanshi Sharma, third from the Science section. The three jewels of our school who have brought laurels to the school by getting real good marks and scoring high marks in the board examination. Parents, kindly put your hands together and give them a loud round of applause. Class 12 Commerce section. First, Vaishali Agarwal. She is not here today. Second, Sheetal Singh. Chaudhary. Third in the commerce section, Mithil Chaudhary. He too deserves a loud round of applause, parents, and kindly put your hands together and clap for them. Each year, a trophy is awarded to the Class 12 board topper of the school, and this year, chairman trophy for the board topper goes to Pragya Singh, Class 12 from the science section. Pragya Singh from Class 12 science section, and she deserves a very, very, very loud round of applause, parents. All our esteemed guests, please give her a loud round of applause. She worked very, very hard, and since I've been her teacher, I know how hard she worked. She deserves this. Well done, Pragya, and keep up your good work. Apart from academics, we also encourage the students who have sent Purnima Srivastava for 10% attendance. It requires a very good immune system, along with an interest for study, to come regularly to school. And Purnima has it. Congratulations. Class 7, Akanksha Chaudhary for 10% attendance, not being absent from school even for a single day. Keep it up, child. You must always be regular to school. Class 9, Aditya Pratap Singh for 100% attendance again. Class 9, Aditya Pratap Singh. Keep up your regularity, Aditya. You must always be regular to school. We also give away a few awards for outstanding performance in various fields, apart from academics. Vivek Pal from Class 10 for outstanding performance in instrumental music. Vivek Pal, Class 10 for outstanding performance in musical instruments. He always leads the orchestra with his wonderful tabla playing habits. Iti Bharti for outstanding performance in cultural activities. She's won prizes in inter-house and inter-class competitions as far as singing competitions or dance competitions are concerned. Congratulations, Iti. Keep up your good work. Shreya Mangal and Madhuri Mangal, the two sisters, for outstanding performance in dance competitions. They have received the first prize in many competitions at all India level, and they have also made 2 rounds in Dance India Dance and Chakundu, the 2 very famous programs which are there on TV. I'm sure each one of you watched them. Please give them a loud round of applause, please. They are wonderful dancers, and they can skate as well as dance. Akash Bansal for outstanding performance in skating competition. Akash Bansal is the skating wizard of our school. He has won a gold medal each in All India Skating Championship held at Mumbai, Bharat National Skating Championship held at New Delhi, All NCR Skating Championship held at Saibaba, and All India Skating Championship held at Sonipat, Haryana. Please give him a loud round of applause, parents. He is the real skating wizard of our school. Next, Ankur Solanki from Class 12 for outstanding performance in athletics. Ankur Solanki from Class 12 for outstanding performance in athletics. He too has won a number of awards for the school in inter-school competitions as well as inter-school competitions. That is Ankur Solanki for outstanding performance in athletics. Shubham Singh for the best player in football, inter-school soccer league 2010. Best player in football for inter-school soccer league tournament 2010. He is absent today. Anubhav Tiwari for outstanding performance in karate. I'm sorry, Shubham is here, a little late in coming up. Shubham Singh for best player in football, inter-school soccer league tournament 2010. Parents, please give him a loud round of applause. He does deserve it. A tiny little boy, and he can do magic with his feet. Anubhav Tiwari for outstanding performance in karate. Anubhav Tiwari for outstanding performance in karate. Now, after the two sisters, we have 2 wonderful brothers in the school, Farman Sethi and Salman Sethi. And here is an award for them for the outstanding performance in karate again. Farman Sethi and Salman Sethi, the 2 brothers, for their outstanding performance in karate. They can break bricks, they can break concrete, they can break so many things including glasses and everything. We've seen them doing it here in the school campus itself. Please give them a loud round of applause, parents. And last but not the least, Pandit Roopchand Memorial Trophy for the all